Alright, today I'm going to be making ramen noodles with fire sauce from Taco Bell right here, okay? One of my favorite recipes, alright? It's like a collision of absolute goodness in Taco Bell, alright? So right here I have the water boiling right here. I have the pan for sauteing all day. The ramen noodles, I'm gonna have onion in here, and I might even add all-American cheese, as well as a piece of hot dog meat that I have over here. So let me go ahead and get the hot dog meat from out of the package right here. I'm gonna cut that up really nicely. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this. I'm gonna start by opening up the cheese, American cheese, having this ready. This is what I call prep work, all right? I'm gonna set that on the hot dog meat right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop my ramen noodles inside of the pot to get them cooking. And I'm going to cook them until they're al dente, okay, so that they stir fry pretty well. I'm going to take out the beef seasoning and put that to the side as well. And you know me, I'm going to have some of the crunchies inside. That's what I do. I eat the crunchies, all right? So eat some of the crunchies right there. And then I'm going to get, let me see if I find a small bowl or something right there for the sauce, okay? So let me find a bowl. Alright, so found a bowl for the fire sauce. And what I'm going to do is with the fire sauce is just like, I'm going to go ahead and set this in here, open this up, package it away. Fire sauce is one of my favorite sauces from Taco Bell besides the Diablo sauce. I have to say Diablo sauce is my favorite. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the fire sauce inside of a bowl right here. All right. Get some of the fire sauce. Put that. It's what we call prep work. All right. Put the fire sauce in there. I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to cut some of my vegetables right here. Right here I have onion. All right. So just cut up some of the onion. And the way that I do this right here with this recipe, I'm gonna cut up the onion. Half of it I'm gonna keep it long like this. The other part, I'm going to cut it into small pieces for small crunchration in the recipe right there. All right, great. So I'm gonna slide this to the side, put my cheese right there, and then get the hot dog meat, right? I'm gonna take the hot dog meat and slice it like this. All right, odd shape cut right here. It adds to the texturation of the recipe. All right, so I'm gonna cut this like that. Just keep on turning it like this. All right, and then the last part, just do it like that. All right, so the hot dog meat's cut up. Hot dog meat is cut up. The cheese is right there. The fire sauce is in the bowl. And the onion is right there. I'm just gonna prep my beef flavoration right here. Put this to the side. And then while that's going on, I'm just gonna flip the ramen noodles. All right, go ahead and flip the ramen noodles right here and open them up right there. Absolute goodness. All right, so just go ahead and get that going. And then right now, I'm gonna get started with the salteration of the hot dog meat, onion, and fire sauce. So I'm going to turn this pan on. All right, the pan is turning on. It's heating up. All right, heating up quite nice. Let me try to have a little bit of water in this bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that off. All right, and so while that's heating up, I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the pan. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the pan right here. All right, just a little bit, all right? Add a little bit of butter to the pan and then circulate it around like that. All right, so once that's in there, I'm gonna add the hot dog meat to it as well as the onion. All right, and this is gonna heat up quite nicely and it's gonna toast rate just a little bit. Make sure you get all of it in there like that, okay? All right, looking good in the neighborhood. All right, so this is going to start to cook a little bit. Let me get a spatula of some sort. Get my spatula, and you smell that? Let me zoom in so you can smell this a little bit. You smell that? It's starting to cook. It's going to be smelling really good in here in a few seconds, all right? Let's zoom back out. And so while this is going on, I'm going to just go ahead and check up on the ramen noodles. Make sure that they're getting to al dente. All right. Oh man, this is smelling great. Smelling good. All right, so the ramen noodles are almost done, and I'm going to strain them. Oh, zoom back in so you can see this. Look at this. Do your pan like this. Oh man, that's looking good. Hot dog meat, cooking, perfection. All right, well that's going on right there. I'm going to go ahead and take my ramen noodles and strain them. Right here, I have a specialty strainer right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to just go like this. Strain the ramen noodles. Absolute goodness. All right, I'm going to turn that fire off. Let this strain a little bit. I'm going to let this strain on the side. And then I'm just going to stir up the hot dog meat. Look how it's toasting. It's time to zoom in on this right here. Look how it's toasting. All right, the hot dog meat and the onions are toasting quite nicely. All right. Oh man, I have to turn this down to medium because I don't want to burn it. I just want a nice browneration on it. Look at it. You see the browneration going on right here? Absolute goodness. Oh man, this is looking good. All right, it's toasting quite nicely. All right, so while that's toasting quite nicely, it's about time to add the ramen noodles. So I'm going to take the ramen noodles right here, and I'm just going to put this on top. All right, and I'm just going to stir these up a little bit to get some of the butter and the flavoration from the hot dog meat on there. And then I'm going to add not all of the seasoning pack, maybe a quarter of it. All right, and then I'm going to add some of this fire sauce. So get the fire sauce and add that to it. It's smelling great. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of water, pour it in the middle. Oh man. And then I'm going to stir it a little bit to make sure the seasoning and the fire sauce get circulated in there. Oh wow, it smells so good. So once it's circulated in there a little bit, I'm going to take my cheese and break it apart in here just a little bit. Break it up in there like that. All right. Cut it up, cut it up a little bit like that. Stir it. Turn the fire up a little bit. And then I'm going to grab my water one more time. Add just a drop in the middle. Absolute goodness. And it's going to start to fry and smell good really quick. And once I bring it back up to a simmer, all right, I'm going to turn the fire off and then stir this one more time. Like that. The fire's off. Then I'm going to take my bowl, pour it into the bowl right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.